Hello friends, I've got a new unboxing. Here we go. It's going to be really quick because I haven't got much time. So here it is, look. Ooh, what is it? Ooh. You won't believe what was in the box. It's little baby Joel, look. There he is. Oh, say hello to everybody, Jolie. There we go, look. Good boy. Right, let's get back on with it. Only joking. Right, this is going to be so quick, it's unbelievable. What's in the box? 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 Got this from kewbz UK. Ooh, here we go. Big shout out to senior kewbz worldwide. It's the new xman Bell V2 pyraminx. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. How do I get into it? How do I get into it? How do I get into it? I've been getting really into pyraminx lately, so I'm quite looking forward to this. If I can get into it, probably not. It's more of a puzzle getting into it. Running out of time, running out of time, running out of time, running out of time. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Super light first impressions. Oh, that's well nice. There we go. Cool. That is a lot nicer. It's a lot lighter. I've got the other one somewhere. I don't know where it's gone. Where is it? Oh, I've lost it. Oh well, there we go. So there we have it. It's the new xman Bell V2 pyraminx. Sorry it's so short. Cheers.